In this lecture, I will discuss subjunctive, present subjunctive and past subjunctive. Present subjunctive is a construction which expresses something desired, something imagined, something obligatory, necessary, essential. In present subjunctive construction, we have a complex structure, that is a main clause and a subordinate clause. In the main clause of present subjunctive construction, we have expressions like I recommended, we demand, we demanded, it is essential, it is suggested, I requested, I insisted, she insists, she insisted. These are the indicators of present subjunctive in the main clause of the construction. When these structures, when these indicators, when these expressions are used in the main clause of the subjunctive construction, should is inserted after the subject of the subordinate clause of such construction. When should is inserted, we will use the form which we can use with should, but not the form which we cannot use with should. I recommend should inserted because of this I recommend. She take help. She takes help will be incorrect because we cannot use she should takes help. We demanded because of this structure should is inserted here. We demanded that he not reconsider the proposal. He not reconsiders will be incorrect because should and reconsiders cannot be used together. And also we cannot say he reconsider not the proposal because not will be used in incorrect place in such construction. It is essential she have a second chance. Should is covertly inserted here, therefore we cannot say she has. It is suggested he be allowed. Should is covertly inserted here, so we cannot say he are allowed to join. These are the indicators of present subjunctive in the main clause. When we have these structures, these expressions should will be inserted in the subordinate clause after subject. Then we will use only the form we can use with should and not the forms we cannot use with should. In contrast to present subjunctive, the indicators of past subjunctive are I wish, as if, as though, it is high time, would rather. These are the indicators of past subjunctive, and past subjunctive are used for something unreal, something hypothetical, something imaginary. I wish I were a millionaire. I am not a millionaire, I am just imagining it. Therefore, I have used past subjunctive construction. I were, not I was. I had been is also possible. She acted as if she were a princess. She is not a princess, but she is just displaying it that she it. So we will use she were or she had been, but not she was or she is. It is high time you started the toss. It is high time you start the toss will be incorrect. I would rather he stopped smoking. I would rather go. These are the two construction where we can use would rather. Would rather can be used in two construction, past subjunctive and semi-modal verb construction. If would rather is followed by a noun or pronoun, it will be part of a past subjunctive construction. And if it is not followed by a noun or pronoun, it will be part of a semi-modal verb construction. If it is part of a semi-modal verb construction like here, as it is not followed by another noun or pronoun, we will use base form go, not went. And if it is followed by another noun or pronoun, just like here it is followed by he, it will be part of a past subjunctive construction. In such cases, we will use second form, not first form, stopped, not stopped. These are the indicators of past subjunctive. Whenever we have these expressions, these indicators, we will use second form or third form, but not past